We are making biscuits, and for making biscuits it's very important to have a good quality. And the quality means for us a good taste and also a product who is food safe. To be food safe, we have to have the acrylamide values under control, and to have a good taste, you can see if it's a biscuit is good baked. It was the baker who had the experience to see if a biscuit was good or not good. Through this project, we were able to put a camera on every biscuit, and by taking this picture, we had a picture of every biscuit. Instead, we have an oven of about 40-45 meters long. So before the operator had to go to the end of the oven, see if the biscuits are good, or in the worst case, the biscuits came to the people who are doing the packaging, and then it's already the length of about 2 ovens too late that they can see that the biscuits are back to were baked too strong, for example. Mm-hmm. So now with this project we have less waste because we can reduce the waste with it. We have a better taste because if the color is okay, we also know that the taste is okay, and we are more sure about the acrylamide values that those biscuits will have. And also in the future, if we develop other recipes, because we don't only make one kind of biscuits on this line, we will have the possibility to predict the value of acrylamide by 5-10%. But for us, it was the using of images. So if an operator is looking at the biscuit, is making a process, it's too dark, it should be lighter. But in this case, there was a computer who was storing all this data, and with this data he was sending a signal to the oven. You have to go faster, you have to change the temperature in some sections, something an operator also does, but he can't do that as fast as the computer can. And a step further is also that there is a link with the ERP system, so that the oven already knows which recipe he will make and what will be the first steps from the temperatures in the oven. It was on a kind of open exhibition of Flanders food that I talked to Veerle and I said, I don't think there is something for me, I'm just a small SME, but if I could dream, and she said, oh, tell me your dream. If I could dream, I said, I would take a picture of every biscuit, and at that, I will take these elements to control my oven. She said, okay, here's a company who's called Yazoom, who is also here in the exhibition, who are very specialized in cameras. And I talked to them, and so my dream became a bit of reality because she brought us in contact. And then I wrote this S3 food project just to have the people of the oven, the people of Yazoom and ourselves to get our knowledge together to develop this project. I think it's just a start because we can collect all kinds of data in our company, and it was also important for the operators in the company to see that a computer can help them. It's not a threat. And now my operator is very happy that he says, this computer is much faster than me, he can see everything what I can't see, because sometimes I have to go in the warehouse to get some ingredients, and then he doesn't see what is happening. So I think we will go further on this, and already by being here for this seminary today, I also learned that there are other possibilities. For example, you have your CCPs and you have to, instead of writing them down, take a picture of the expiry date of the products and use it as a proof for your quality system. So I think it's just the start of something, it's not the end.